Wow, somebody should have really told me that. I need a haircut because my hair is just, it's out of control. All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave. Like always, and you found, do it yourself, do it right. Well, what that is, I've been procrastinating and it's finally caught up to me, basically. I've been nursing the battery in the old GMC along from last winter to now, and it's cold, and when I try to start it to go to work, it doesn't want to start, and tomorrow or tonight there's going to be a snowstorm. So instead of getting stranded, I'm trying to, you know, hurry up and replace that battery, change it. You know, I could do the easy thing and take it down to O'Reilly's and, you know, have one of the 18-year-old kids down there change the battery, but that's not how I roll. Okay, I'm gonna do it myself. I'm going to pull the battery out and then dig the Mustang out, because I'm gonna do the right thing and drive the car that I shouldn't be driving in the snow. I'm gonna dig it out, drive it about a half a mile down the road, get a battery, drive it back, put the battery in, all just so I can make a dadgum YouTube video. So let's do it. Now I know what you're thinking. Why don't you have the hood up? Well, because, you know, the battery, it's not under the hood in this here GMC. The battery is actually back here under the floor. And, you know, I basically have to, you know, I got this protecting all weather tech floor thingamabopper in here. And, you know, I gotta pry it out of the way to get to, oh, well, yeah, let's see, oh, yeah, here we go. To get to this little compartment, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. I might have to take all the stuff out of here. Oh, there we go. And get to this compartment right here. And in here is the battery, believe it or not. I know, it's crazy, but that's where it is. All right, so for the inquiring minds that want to know, that star bit, it's a T20, and this is basically what you see when you pop it off. You also have to take this little track piece off, this guy here, you know, the piece that goes on that side. That just pops up, not a big deal. You just kind of got to manhandle it, and then you know, here's your battery. You know, here it is, back down inside of here. And to get the battery out is, you know, way down in there. There's a bolt. I don't know if there we go. Oh, yeah, it's not gonna work. So way down in there, that 20, you know, this little bolt way down in there. You can see it, kind of, maybe. That bolt's got to come out. That's what holds the battery into place. And then you got this guy here, which is a metric, I'm sure. And then this contraption thing here somehow comes off. I think you just pinch it and it pops off like so. And if it doesn't, you just, you know, kind of pull harder. Yeah, there you go. And the, you know, same contraption here. Loosen this up, this whole guy. Make sure it's not loose. Maybe that's why my battery doesn't want to work. Nope, that's tight. And it's not corroded, so I know that this battery, you know, it's at least 5 years old. I've had the vehicle for at least 5 years, and I haven't changed the battery. So, and I didn't see a date on there. Maybe if I look closely, I could see a date on the battery. So I'm just gonna go ahead and yank that sucker out of there. It's kind of close quarters. Hard for you guys to see me do it, so trust me, I'll show you when I get it out. Oh boy, here we go. There's no fucking handle. Oh, excuse my French, there's no dang handle on this battery to get it out of this really tight hole. Way to go, GM. This is an AC Delco battery, so I'm assuming it's the, you know, the one that came in the factory. Ow. How in the hell are you supposed to get that sucker out of there? Man, oh man, that is no joke. Ow. Maybe I should have let the little kid do it down at the O'Reilly's. Alright, just so you guys know, to get the clamp that holds the battery in place, that's a size 13 metric. To get the screws off the posts up here, those are actually nuts, but those are 10s. You know why? You know, metric stuff on American cars. It's the way of the future, or the past, I guess, if you know, because they've been doing it for a while. I wonder how many wires I'm gonna break getting this thing out of here. You know, this would be so easy if there was just a handle, you know, a go handle. You just pick it up and go. Nope. Nope. It's not how GM rolls, apparently. Ay, fuck. Hey, come on. Oh, holy moly. It's giving birth. Oh, fuck. All right. Yeah. There you have it. You know, don't forget to take the tube, the breather tube off the battery. And there you have it. That's where the battery goes, you know, in there, because that's where it's supposed to go. And there you have it. It's the battery. Let me see if I can find a date. Oh yeah, look at this. 1/11/13. This is the original battery to this vehicle. And it's almost dead. It's pretty done. Alright, so got the Mustang out, new battery. Look at this, go handles. This one's got 2 of them. The old one was supposed to have handles, but they're gone, and you know, so this should make it, you know, about 30 times easier. Basically, pick it up, bring it in. Oh, you know what it doesn't have? Oh, it doesn't have the, oh, dang it, doesn't have the elbow to go, unless it's on here somewhere. I don't know. I don't see it. Well, maybe underneath. I don't know. Let's probably should have grabbed it off the old battery. Alright, so those handles made it so much easier just to slam down in there. Now you basically reverse process. Put your clamp on there, tighten it down, put those on there, and you know, I'll show you the final product. You know, I can't make this shit up. You know, while putting this together, I don't typically use my drill to put stuff like this back together, but when you know it, the battery in my drill went dead. But that gives me a chance to use my brand new, I believe it's 90-tooth ratchet that I bought on clearance at good old Lowe's. That's right, yeah, look at the clearance rack at Lowe's. They have, you know, they have some pretty good deals. This thing was half off. So typically 30-something bucks. I think I got it for $16. You know, it is a Cobalt. It's not snap-on, but gets the job done. when the battery operated ones can't. So there you have it. Nuts on, bolts on, battery is secure. I heard all the electrical digital stuff up there go bzzz when I you know, touch the positive. And then you close it down. And I'm gonna go twist on the key, make sure that this thing is gonna start, which I'm pretty sure it will. All right, here we go. I forgot to mention, you know, if you move your seat all the way up forward, it gives you enough room to get to that little battery compartment. All right, we got all the power. It's doing its thing. Whoa, starts right up. No hesitation. Before it was, you know, it would go tick 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 tock, and then it would go again, and it would start up. The remote start was just not working, so you know, I knew that the battery was pretty much toast. So like I said, I was trying to nurse it along, and well, snow's coming and I don't want to get stranded. So you see how easy it is. Now I'm going to throw all that back together, put the cover on, put my floor down, and you know, it should be good to go. I'm going to let it run a little bit. The you know, the amperage, it's up there, so I'm gonna let it run, charge the battery just a hair. I might throw my voltmeter on there, see what it's reading out, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. So back to work. All right, so since I got that other piece peeled off, it's easier just to put this on first. It's got little you know, it's got little keepers on this side. You just basically slide it in, slide it over, make sure it catches. I should get my vacuum out and vacuum all this up, but I ain't got the time right now, and my drill battery is dead, so now I'm gonna have to use my ratchet. Put that down. Well, I don't have the adapter for it, so it's gonna have to be finger tight. Yep, that's tight, you know, good and tight. German torque, nice and good and tight. And then this guy just comes over, gotta peel that up out of the way, and it just pops back into place. Pop, pop. Oh, we got a little tab right there. I forgot to put the tab under there. Oh, I have to pop it back out of place. Pop, pop, back out of place. Tab under. Now, pop, pop, pop. Back into place. That's how that goes. And then just bring my old WeatherTech back over into place. I'm telling you, if you guys have kids or live in North Country where there's snow, you need these WeatherTechs, because man, they are nice. They are form fitted. They catch all the dirt and debris, and it just makes life a whole lot easier, especially if you're OCD like I am with the cleanliness of your vehicle. And boom, just like that, it's all back together. All right, folks, so there you have it. Pretty quick and easy, down and dirty. You need a T20 star bit. You need a number 10 millimeter socket. You also need a number 13 to get the battery clamp off. And that's about it. You can do what I just did. You know, there's a reason why they let the, you know, little 18-year-old pimply faced kids change your battery. It's not that hard. And you know, if you're like me and you want to do it yourself and you want to get it done right, hence the name of my channel, you know, this is simple. This is easy. Changing the battery, easy. Now, if you do have it unplugged for a while, you might have to reprogram your radio. I didn't check, but I'm assuming that I didn't have it unplugged long enough. Let's see if all my stations are still there. Yeah, all my stations are still there. So, you know, just as long as you're quick about it, you don't have to reprogram anything. There is a little internal battery that keeps it, you know, keeps all your stuff programmed in your clock and whatever. So, pretty simple task, easy tools, done quick and in a hurry. Reason why I trying to hurry up is because it's pretty freaking cold out right now. So that's gonna do it for this quick little informative video, how to change your battery in your GMC Acadia, your Chevy Traverse, your whatever those Saturn Outlooks, your Buick Enclaves. They're all basically the same. They just put different names on the front of the vehicle. So there you go. If you want to do your own battery, that's how you do it. And you know, like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and till next time, thanks a lot.